Hi everyone, I'm Ottilia Ang from FSTS. Today I would like to share about the topic of gender discrimination. Gender discrimination in the workplace is always the heated topic discussed among the society nowadays. For example, sexual harassment, retaliation, and unequal pay are the most common cases that we can see from this topic. To overcome this problem, the company should make work and life balance a priority for their employees. The company should consider helping to pay for child and elder care to reduce the burden of a family, which can lead to frustration and make them consider to leave the company early. Next, parental leave for fathers should also be promoted, as this will not only allow mothers to fully focus in their career, so they have no time to rest after give birth. And shared parental leave is really helping moms a lot, because as a mother it's really not easy, and sharing the load can give a big help to mother. And the purpose of parental leave, given both before and after birth, is to safeguard the health of the mother and the children. And a longer leave allows mother to rest more and take some time to care about her children. And she can also better work through the breastfeeding challenge and establish a routine. Now let's see about the implementation of shared parental leave. The right form part of shared parental leave, which is SHPL, will be available to both parents due to born or placed for adoption start from 5 of April 2015. And under the SHPL, the 2 weeks compulsory parental leave will be retained, but remaining the parental leave and pay can be converted to parental leave by eligible parents and shared between them. The seminar regarding the importance of SSPL also should be held in every company, and is a must for all the staff to educate them about the right for the equal opportunity policies for the shared parental leave. And the budget for the seminar must be less than 5K. And last but not least, the problem of gender discrimination must be solved as soon as possible, as it mirrors the progress of the society and guarantee the prosperity of our country. And we can fight for the gender equality. That's all from me. Thank you.